Josie Armstrong, and this is a call for Josie Armstrong. Would you like to make your way down to the pedestrian entrance where Gemma... sorry, I've got that wrong. Gemma, would you like to make your way down to the entrance where Josie Armstrong is waiting for you? So, Gemma, this is a message for you. You've got separated from your companion, Josie Armstrong, item of yours which I'm sure you will be very relieved to have back.
Likewise, Andrew, we have a call for any items that have been found for a Maddie Standing. If you have found something that relates to Maddie Standing, could you bring it to the admin tent, which is right adjacent to the commentary box? Any item found that belongs to Maddie Standing.
Well, those of you that are just arriving, making your way up the field, welcome. We're delighted to see you here at the Berwick St Country Fayre. There's lots for you to see, and if you're ready for a spot of lunch, the beer tent is open and they're selling ploughman's lunches. And then in this field, behind the commentary box, in the grass field, we have the tea tent, where they're doing teas and coffees, and there's lots of chairs to sit. The shepherd will give a demonstration of how to clip a sheep by hand, using the old-fashioned clippers. That will take place in the rural crafts area. That is, so go along and have a look at those. And then, of course, in the centre here, we've got quite a selection of different tractors working away. They're now stirring that bit of ground up into something resembling talcum powder, but nevertheless, it's an opportunity to see some of these older tractors that were John Deere are coming up the field. The last of the two-cylinder John Deere's there. With the 7 discs and the big Massey American import on its way down to 1150. Tractors that have come over from the States, brought over by collectors, but it's lovely to see them because it's something different.
Well, Andrew, have you been and had a look at the World War I setup? I know it's not very far away from us, but Paul's got a rather nice lorry down there. Have you met Paul?
No, I haven't.
Oh, he's a nice chap. He read one of the lessons, or the poems that the service had. But he and Claire have been married tomorrow for 30 years. So he just wanted to say that he loves her very much and he's looking forward to celebrating with her tomorrow. That's rather nice, isn't it?
That's lovely, yes. Congratulations.
Yes, well done, Paul. And Small especially, well done, Claire, for putting up with him for that.
You wait till next year, Rob. We've got a magic figure next year.
Oh dear.
Right, yes, what else have we got to look at? Oh, the tractor pulling, of course, across the far side there. But beyond the tractor pulling, there is another field of exhibits. If you look across, you might be mistaken and think that it's the exhibitors' caravan. Generous support for the show. The landlord and many volunteers who helped to put the show on. Some of them have been on their feet quite literally since the show opened or before the show opened. And we do acknowledge their efforts in making the show the success it is. And interestingly, we had an exhibitor in here a little while ago, and he asked me to thank the organising committee on behalf of him and a group of his friends as exhibitors for putting on the show and what a brilliant atmosphere it's got. So there we are, straight from the horse's mouth. So,
as you would say, Andrew, in your personal belonging there. So, Mr. Horse, you just left the timber trader's craft